The image shows Uranus as a bright white circle in the center, with a faint blue ring around it. This ring is Uranus's atmosphere, made up mostly of hydrogen and helium gas. The white spot at the top of the planet is its north pole, which is currently tilted towards the sun. The dark band around the middle of the planet is a belt of clouds, and the fainter rings to the outside are Uranus's 13 known rings. Some of the key things to note about the image: Uranus is tilted on its side. This is different from most planets, which are tilted at a much smaller angle. Uranus's tilt is thought to be the result of a giant collision that happened early in its history. Uranus has a bright north pole. This is because the sun is shining directly on the North Pole for much of the year. The South Pole is in darkness, so it appears much fainter. Uranus has 13 rings. These rings are made up of dust and ice particles. The innermost rings are very faint, but the outermost rings are brighter and easier to see. Uranus has 27 moons. 9 of these moons are visible in the image. The James Webb Space Telescope was able to capture this image of Uranus because it can see infrared light. Infrared light is invisible to the human eye, but it can travel through dust and gas clouds that would block visible light. This means that the Webb telescope can see things that other telescopes cannot, such as the faint rings and moons of Uranus.